Boost Mobile's Guest Pay feature allows you to pay someone else's bill without accessing their account. This is useful for family, friends, or anyone needing assistance with their prepaid service. Access Guest Pay via the Boost Mobile app or the Boost Mobile website. No account login is required. Simply provide the recipient's 10-digit Boost Mobile phone number and your payment information. Guest Pay supports payments up to $500 for active Boost accounts only. The recipient will receive a notification upon successful payment. Guest Pay is a convenient and instant way to ensure someone's Boost Mobile service remains active. A personal identification number, or PIN, may be required for Guest Pay transactions, especially on devices without biometric login. The PIN is set by the account holder and serves as a key form of authentication. Sharing a PIN carries risks to account security and privacy. Boost Mobile strongly advises against sharing PINs as it could lead to unauthorized access. If biometric login fails, the PIN becomes the primary verification method. To protect against fraud, Boost Mobile implements security measures including transaction limits up to $500 and automatic notifications sent to the recipient. Always verify the phone number before completing any payment. All payments are secured through SSL encryption and comply with PCI standards for handling sensitive financial data. This ensures your transaction information remains protected during the process. If a PIN is forgotten, the account holder can easily reset it through the Boost Mobile app or by contacting customer service directly.